guy's for real! I bet you're a bleeder! I'll put you in the ground! Give him Murray! Time to meet some family! You got nowhere to go! We don't take prisoners! You see what happened down there?
What are you going on about now?
All our guys, gone. It's like they vanished. Vinny, Paul, Frank. You don't think it was the bat, do you?
The bat. Here?
He's probably out for revenge after the boss tried to off him.
Listen, anyone, including the bat, opens that door, they're full of holes. That thing's fully automated. Never misses.
How do you know it works?
Trust me, it works.
So what do we do now, wise guy?
Just wait.
That's your brilliant strategy? Just wait?
No, just wait. I'm thinking of a strategy.
So what do we do now, wise guy?
Just wait.
That's your brilliant strategy? Just wait?
No, just wait. I'm thinking of a strategy.
Oh! Oh! What? Damn thing! It ain't... Larry, you're gonna remember mine!
I need to hack that computer so I can find the security code for the door. Alfred, I'm uploading data from one of Black Mask's servers. I need codes to bypass the security door in the loading dock.
Receiving it now, sir.
Interesting. Sionis had a pacemaker implanted. It says here he had prolonged QT syndrome. Anything that raises his heart rate could trigger cardiac arrest. Sionis was having the Joker followed. These photos show him obtaining chemicals used in making explosives. If I find Sionis, he'll know what the Joker's planning.
Sir, I found the security codes you were looking for. You have access to the building now. Master Bruce, looking through Sionis' files, I found reference to a chemical similar to the compound you need for your glue grenade. I'm going to try to synthesize it in our lab. If it works, I'll have a prototype for you as soon as the resin cures.
Good. I'll need it. The more I learn about the Joker, the more I realize there's something very different about him. What was that? need to find a way inside that room.
Come on. Why are you messing with the crate? We're supposed to be locking this place down.
Whatever, man.
Serious. Knock it off.
Okay, let me shut it down.
Why we gotta lock this place down anyway? Joker expecting the cops?
I heard it ain't the cops he's worried about. It's the Bat.
The Bat. That guy for real?
Well, the boss seems to think so.
Yeah, well the boss also thinks that green and purple are an acceptable color combo.
What are you trying to say?
The new boss is, a little crazy. Excellent.
That's where you're wrong.
Off your ears!
Break up!
Damn thing! We gotta do something! Put him on the ground!
Even breathing!
That's here, people. Get ready.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want you to understand. Deader than dead. He gets past us and any of you that survive will wish you were deader than dead too!
Get that out of your ass!
He's a real brawler.
I'm gonna string you up like a salami! One slice at a time! What? You say me last?
Last chance.
I'ma put you in a row!
There you go!
Hey, Stuga! This is gonna get messy, and I'm diving in, up to my elbows! He ain't kidding! Mama always said I'd make a great buddy. Little did she know!
What? What?
I'm gonna string you up like a salami, and then pop you up one slice at a time! Do it!
Get the back to hell!
This is gonna get messy, and I'm diving in, up to my elbows!
That's more like it. Who did this? I can use my evidence scanner to examine the body for clues. No signs of assault. Huh. His system is shut down. Acute toxicity. He's been poisoned.
Started clawing at his skin and ran into the elevator.
We should call her back up.
Bigger guys than you!
Now he's in.
They're holding Sionis in here somewhere.
What do you say, Joe? Should we let him out?
Let me think. He did give us that raise he promised us. Oh, wait. No, he never did. That's right. How could I have forgotten?
When I get out of here, I'm gonna kill both slow with my own hands. What's that? Somebody see what's up with that? How about I got this door?
Man, this guy took a real spill. Okay, so he breaks guys in half. I still got a gun.
I'd say, I'm never working Christmas Eve again.
I don't want to end up all smashed up like Meathead over here. Now, leave him and check around the area.
Them things in the deck.
No one gets by me. This spot's mine. You Trevor! No! Don't see what happened!
Anybody left out there? No?
You're waiting for something. Are you dead for something?
Get me out of this thing. Where's the Joker?
Go to hell.
Wrong answer. By my count, there are still 9 more ribs I can break.
You think that'll make me talk? After what he's put me through, the torture, turned my men on me, stole from me, murdered my woman, he's my kill, not yours!
I can control your pacemaker remotely. You want to see what 250 beats per minute feels like?
You wouldn't.
Copperhead.
Tell him and I'll pay you whatever you want. Make him suffer and I'll pay.
An empty promise from a fallen king. I know about the Joker.
Couple of freaks. You two deserve each other.
What did you do to me?
I killed you. And in a few more minutes, your body will realize it. That's it. Use your strength. With every effort, you hasten your end.
Must scan the room for Copperhead's poison. Female perspiration. Copperhead came this way. All I need is 1 drop of poison. There. It's a powerful neurotoxin. Alfred, uploading analysis of a neurotoxin. I need you to synthesize an antidote.
Your vitals are off the charts. What happened? Never mind. Just get up to ground level so I can send in an airdrop. And after this, you're coming back here so I can have a look at you.
I need to get back to ground level.
What would your father say if he could see you now, throwing away your family's hard-earned fortune on these frivolous nightly escapades? And for what? You're not this city's savior. You're a Wayne, and a spoiled, wasteful disappointment of a Wayne at that. Have you forgotten what your family name stands for? You disappoint me. You disappoint.
Please. You could have saved me. If you'd only come sooner. What were you doing? You're no hero. A real hero would have saved me.
let me die. How many more must perish before you realize? Savior, you're a curse upon this city, a plague on all of Gotham. Leave us alone! We were better off without you. I'd still be alive without you. Please, you have to save me. Please. You. What's wrong with you? You couldn't save me. Why? Why did you stop him? Is that the best you can do? Tell me, Batman, how will you defeat the phantoms of your mind? Not so fast. I am impressed you lasted this long, but you cannot resist the venom forever. No, Batman. Your strength Batman. This is the fight you can't punch your way out of. No.
Sir, the drop container has arrived. Can you see it?
I see it.
You think you're cured? My poison is still in your veins and it will remain there as long as you live. Which won't be very long. You think these ties will hold me?
Maybe not. I'd like to see you get out of this.
I know where he is. The Joker.
Tell me.
He's called a meeting. All the assassins will be there. When you set me free, I'll tell you where.
Thanks. I owe you one.
Wait! I can tell you the location.
You already did. Alfred, send GCPD an anonymous tip. Tell them to look inside the shipping containers at the steel mill.
Does that mean you've dealt with Copperhead, sir?
Yes, and I'm about to deal with the Joker.
I don't think that's wise after what you've just been through. You should come back here for medical...
Not now, Alfred. Electrocutioner's gloves emit a powerful electromagnetic signal which I can follow with my scanner. He'll lead me right to the Joker. But I need to get out of the steel mill first.
So now what?
We wait for the guys to show up and pay for the stuff.
Get him! Can we get him, goddamn?
I should destroy the canister before moving on. Alfred.
Sir?
I'm uploading a chemical sample. I need you to run a scan of the city. Look for high concentrations of the compound. Find the source, and I can shut it down.
Certainly. I'll alert you as soon as I've found something.
I'm not picking up Electrocutioner's signal yet. I'll need to get to higher ground. The central pillar on Pioneer Bridge should do.